us a good opportunity to have great exposure to different communities and introduce our product to customers and business partners. And I want to thank the management of Cafe 2024 for giving us this opportunity to take our brand to the world.
I'm very happy to be part of Chef Guild of Sri Lanka. They have been very helpful, and CTC events have organized it very well. And our suppliers also mostly working with the respective chef association of that country, and we have so many innovative products. Thank you so much for CTC event for organizing such a nice event, and we are very happy that we are part of it.
Hello everyone, I'm Mads Jensen. I'm the Marketing Director for 𝐂𝐀𝐏𝐓𝐔𝐑𝐄 for Asia. We're very happy to be the gold sponsor this year for the Culinary Expo. We really appreciate to collaborate for this culinary event.
From 𝐂𝐀𝐏𝐓𝐔𝐑𝐄 Food Services. We have been participating the culinary art for many years, as we are one of the biggest suppliers in hotels as well as restaurants and all the food chains in Sri Lanka. Special thanks to the Chef Guild for organizing such events. We have been participating, and then we reach to basically the end consumers as well as to the entire chefs and the hotel sector in Sri Lanka.